Hey y'all, facial time. So I felt like doing a facial today and I wanted to use my facial sauna or facial steamer. So it comes with that nasal comb, but we're not using that today. We're only going to use the facial steamer part. So I just have it set up here and ready to go, just showing you guys what it looks like. So it has different settings. I usually keep mine at about 7 or maybe 9. But first, before I do the steam, I'm going to use my new Sassy+Chic vibrating facial massager that I got at Dollar Tree. I showed you guys this a while ago and I have not tried it yet, so this will be my first time using it. So I'm going to open it, put some batteries in it, and we're going to try it out. Okay, so y'all can hear it vibrates really good. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put a cleanser on my face. I picked out 2. That one is my Freeman cleanser, and I also have my Curology. I'm putting on the Curology cleanser first, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the massager. I needed a little more, so I added the Freeman Beauty Collagen cleanser to my face. It was like a cream cleanser, and I'm going to go ahead and massage a little more. I massaged my face for a total of 10 minutes. It felt really good, and I do like that little massager thing. I didn't think it was going to have that much power. So I'm all done. I cleaned my face off. I'm going to put on my avocado jelly eye cream. Before I get in the steamer, it does suggest that you put something under your eyes. And it says put a moisturizer on your face, but I like to put a cleanser on it and do the steam. And I also put the eye cream on as well. So I'm turning on the steam here. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes for it to get ready, and there will be a ready light that will come on when the steam is ready to go. So you may be able to see a little bit, it's fogging up on the shield and you can see the water boiling in there. So it's time to steam. The green light is blinking, which is letting me know that it's ready to go. I could not find a good angle to save my life, so the angles kind of suck. You see my husband in the background playing his game and everything, but yeah, it felt really good. So I'm done. I washed my face off. So here I am putting on my Rosy and Ready serum that you put on before you put on any moisturizers. I also got that at Dollar Tree. Next, I'm putting on my Curology moisturizer to top it all off. And I'm all done. My skin felt great. It was glowing, nice and bright, smooth and soft, and I love that steamer.